you need to open the NotPixel application. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a withdrawal button. Click on it. Then select Connect Wallet. After that, click on Claim, and within a few moments, the gas fee will be deducted from your TonKeeper. Your tokens will then be transferred to your TonKeeper wallet. Next, go to your browser and open the Deduxt application. Once there, connect your wallet and then click on Swap. At the bottom of the screen. First, select the token you wish to swap. After that, select the token you want to convert it into, like USDT or TON. For this process, your account must have enough TON gas fee for the transaction. Once the swap is complete, check your TonKeeper wallet, and within a few minutes, the TON tokens will appear there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Thank you.